Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel your DBS card on your device. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So for this method, you'll have to log in from your web browser. So then open up your web browser and then type in dbs.com. So after that, this kind of interface might appear on the device. All you have to do is you'll have to tap on the Dizzy board icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. So after that, you'll have to type in terminate card into the chat box in the bottom left corner of your screen. So once you type in on the chat box, tap on Authenticate Me. Now you'll have to log in into your account. So you can either use your iBanking login or card and PIN number in order to log in. So then select the method that is convenient for you. After you're logged into your account, select the card that you would like to terminate. You can see there are multiple options, so then select it accordingly. Next, you'll have to verify a card number, and if this is the correct card number, then simply tap on yes in the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, you'll have to give a reason for your cancellation of a card. Make sure to select a valid reason, and once you're done selecting the reason of your cancellation, and then in the other page, if you have any other card that you wish to cancel, and in case if you don't have, then simply tap on no. So then on the last interface, make sure to review all of your information correctly, and after you're done confirming, tap on yes to complete your card termination request. So that is how you can cancel the DBS card on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.